Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So now we have a question here. They say we need to find the next number is in this pattern. So if whenever we get a pattern like this or a sequence like this, something like this, we will have to figure out what is the relation between them, right? So if I want to figure out this number, I will have to check what do we have here, the difference. If I see the difference between them is plus 3, right? Difference between them is what? 5. They are adding 5 and then here they are adding 8, right? So this is not same. Here they are adding what? Here they are adding 12, right? So the difference is not same. I cannot tell which number I will have to add because here they are adding 3, here 5, here 8. So I do not know what next number I need to add to get this number, right? Then I can see this number is 1 square, this number is 2 square, this number is 3 square, but this number is not 4 square. It's 4 square plus 1. This is 5 square plus 4. So this is also not that pattern, right? Then after, if we cannot figure out with first level addition, what we can do, we can again figure out the difference between these two. If we see the difference between plus this 3 and 5, what is the difference? How do we get 5? If we add 2 here, right? How do we get 8 from 5? If we add 3 here. And how do we get 12 by 8? If we add 4 here. Now actually we can see that there is a pattern. Every time we are adding one more. Here we added 2, here we added 3, here we added 4. And then what will we add next? We will add 5. If we add 5, what will I get? 17. So that means I need to add what? This 17 here. And if I add 17 here, what do I get then? I get 46. So this is our right answer. That next number in this series is 46, right? So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.